Let me show you how advanced email marketing can be a game changer for Shopify stores. So you're sending emails, or maybe you're not even sending emails at all, but you should be. But let's just say that you are, and it's crickets. It feels like it's being sent into the abyss because it's not working and it's not actually making you any money. Here's the problem. Standard and generic emails feel impersonal until they get ignored. But this is where advanced email marketing comes in, and it has the ability and the power to completely change things for you. I'm speaking from experience. It's personal, it's precise, and it speaks directly to the audience's needs and interests. So here's how you do it. So you segment your audience into specific categories based on specific things, and then you send each segment targeted content and promotion. For example, a skincare brand might send one type of email to teenagers and another type of emails to seniors addressing the unique skin concerns. Or a bookstore that sells online may tailor emails based on past purchases. So romance readers may get the newest love story, whereas those who love mysteries will get like the latest whodunit series. And you can tailor it accordingly. Or one more, what about a jewelry brand? A jewelry brand may send emails about a matching necklace to people who have already purchased like the matching earring set, right? Or you could send people who haven't purchased yet cheaper products, and those who have already purchased more expensive products because they've already purchased from you before, so they like your brand. The possibilities for personalization are actually endless if you know what you're doing. And the result is higher engagement, more sales, and customers that actually feel seen and they feel heard, and they're just gonna love your brand more and are more likely to keep purchasing from you. I know this because I've done it for my brand and other brands as well. So if you want to know how to do this, how to use advanced email marketing to build a highly profitable store, then comment "I want emails" and follow for more e-commerce email marketing tips.